You might be wondering if that code reader you grabbed from Walmart can actually reprogram your car's brain. The ECU. Many of us have seen those affordable diagnostic code readers at places like Walmart, and the question naturally arises, can these do more than just read trouble codes? Specifically, can they program your car's engine control unit, or ECU? Let's dive in. Standard code readers, like the ones commonly found at major retailers, are primarily designed for diagnostic purposes. Their main function is to connect to your car's onboard diagnostics, or OBD port, and then read and clear trouble codes that illuminate your check engine light. These codes are essentially error messages that your car's computer reports. For example, you might see a P042 code, indicating an issue with your catalytic converter. The reader can tell you what the problem is. However, when we talk about programming an ECU, we're talking about a very different and much more involved process. ECU programming, often called reflashing or tuning, involves altering the software that controls your engine's performance, fuel injection, ignition timing, and more. This process can be used for various reasons, such as updating the ECU to the latest manufacturer specifications to fix drivability issues, improving fuel efficiency, or even enhancing performance. It requires specific software and hardware designed to securely write new data to the ECU without corrupting its core functions. The capabilities of those readily available code readers from Walmart are generally limited to this diagnostic reading and clearing of codes. They are not equipped to upload or modify the ECU's programming. Reprogramming an ECU typically necessitates specialized equipment, often called professional scan tools or programming modules, that are designed for this specific task. These tools have the necessary software interfaces and security protocols to communicate with the ECU for programming functions. Think of it this way: a basic code reader is like a thermometer that tells you your engine's temperature, while an ECU programmer is like a surgeon who can actually adjust how your engine operates by rewriting its internal instructions. So, while a Walmart code reader is a fantastic tool for diagnosing and clearing basic check engine light issues, it's generally not sufficient for the complex task of programming your car's ECU. For that, you'll likely need to consult a professional mechanic or invest in more advanced, specialized automotive diagnostic and programming equipment.